May tagkita.
To my husband, Ralph, my pangga, my best friend, and my partner in life, after all the stress and hard work on wedding planning, we are finally here.
Today I wear my white, the kind that's once a lifetime. I feel like on a high, like my tummy's filled with butterflies. I've been waiting for this day, a long wait but it's worthwhile. Can't wait to finally say only hello, no more goodbye. Open up.
All our family and friends came all the way here to celebrate our love and union. This is the start and the beginning of our lives together.
Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. I do.
I'm in my suit and tie. Knees are shaking, love, not gonna lie. But no, I can't
Happy
deny.
wedding day and anniversary, Pangga. Here are my gifts to you. I hope you like it. Thank you for everything and always being there for me. To more anniversaries to come, mahal kita araw-araw.
Open up the curtains, 'cause I'm walking down the aisle.
At simula't simula, tinatawag kayo. Hindi nyo napapansin hanggang nagkita kayong dalawa. At siguro nag-crush kami sa mutual at tumating ang panahon na ito po ang magiging buhay ko.
Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. I do.
Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do.
I do.
Kristi, bugal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito pang mag-isang dibdib si Ralph na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Ralph, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito pang magkaisang dibdib si Kristi na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. I do. Can't wait
To my wife, Christy, happy anniversary, Pangga. 3 years ago, binigyan natin ng chance ang isa't isa. Hindi natin alam kung saan tayo patungo, pero nagtiwala tayo na magiging worth it ang bawat araw natin pagkasama. We've had our share of storms and we've also had our sunshine that made everything worth it.
Pieces of my heart scattered like stones, and I'm just trying to figure it out. For everyone I find, another goes missing. I fix it all if I just know how. I'm just trying to
Sa lahat ng away, hindi pagkakaintindihan, hindi natin sinukuan ang
just
salita.
trying to get some sleep.
At yun para sa akin, ang tunay na pagmamahal.
But the ocean of my heart is raging. I don't really know what to say. Take a breath and try to breathe. I'm just trying to
Alam
buzz
talaga niya yung
away.
kailangan ko. To my Pangga, this is my simple gift to you. This is something that you can wear every day. I hope you like it. See you later, husband. I love you. Your wife. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Racking my brain, looking for answers.
Thankful ako na supportive kayo dito sa desisyon namin ni Christine na magpakasal. At ayun, napangako ko naman na magiging mabuti akong asawa sa mga pangasawa ko. At yun, tataguyod ko rin, pag-isikapan ko rin itaguyod yung pamilya na gagawin namin ni Christine.
I'm just trying to
Ganda na, Christy! for everything and sa lahat ng mga sacrifices ko ni Papa. Thank you so much. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Thank you.
Mahal ka rin namin.
Iiyak ako. I know that you are not perfect and neither am I. But I know and appreciate all your efforts and love. No more goodbyes, no more see you tomorrow, but starting today, we will see each other every day. I promise to be your best friend and your partner in good times and in bad. I promise to take care of you and to be a supportive and loving wife. Happy anniversary. I love you, Panga.
Pinapangako kong sasamahan ka sa lahat ng masaya at pagsubok na ating buhay. Ikaw ang aking tahanan, lakas at kapayapaan. At sa ngayon, hanggang sa mga susunod na kabanata ng ating buhay. Sa iyo ako, nang wagas at buhay. Nagmamahal, ang iyong Pangga.